All right, so giving out refund checks never get old. I really get excited when it's time to give out refund checks because it lets me know that our training program is working, and that's what it's all about. We want to give you information. You take that information and start building the foundation of your business on, start establishing a successful business that you want. And we want to see your business take off. So we're going to congratulate another person today. We're extremely happy to do that. Her name is Kadesha Chatrie, and she's with Beauvelle Trucking and Logistics. She's doing something a little bit different. She's leveraging the relationships within her family. I think she has a brother and a dad who's in trucking, may even be her husband that's in trucking also, but she leverages those relationships and uses them to help her build her shipper network. And that's what it's all about. You have to have shippers in order to win. And when you get shippers, you can get that first load moved. And when you get that first load moved, guess what happens from Alliance Logistics? If you've been in our training program, we say, okay, give us the paperwork. Send in all of the paperwork. Show us your rate quote, your rate confirmation, your BOL. Show us that you've been paid on both sides. You've paid the carrier and you've received payment from the shipper. You've done that within 1 year of coming into our training program. And then we give you a refund of your cost for the training program. So today, as a matter of fact, yesterday, Kadesha, we sent out your check. I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to be your trainer. I really appreciate that. I'm so thankful for you trusting us with your training. We've sent that check out. I hope you enjoy. I wish you the very best. Hope you continue doing what it is that you're doing, building a successful business. And again, I want to thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of that. We're also going to have Kadesha with us tonight. She is going to be on our Super Tuesday business meeting. She'll come and share some of her experiences, what she's going through, how she's leveraging those relationships, how she's getting customers, and some of the challenges that she's had to go through in order to get that first load move, so that, of course, you can learn from her. So I look forward to seeing you tonight on our call, Super Tuesday business meeting. I'll send out the invite this morning to make sure that everybody gets it, and then look forward to seeing you on the call tonight. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Super big congrats to Kadesha Chatrie. Make sure you tell her congrats in the comments. I surely would appreciate that. And if you're interested in learning more about the freight broker business, I'll leave my link in the description. It's my 5-video series titled How the Load Movement Process Works. What it will do is give you a look at the business, let you see how it works before you decide to come into it. That way you can look at everything and then make a decision after taking a look at it. And then if you're interested in learning more about how we go about and get the customers that we work with on a day in and day out basis, I'll leave a free link right here. So until the next time, I wish you the very best in your life and business. See you at the top, because the bottom is much too crowded.